Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use DeepSeek to generate images. Alright, let's begin. DeepSeek has introduced Janus Pro, a multimodal model capable of generating images and interpreting visual content. To get started, go to Google and search DeepSeek Janus Pro Hugging Face. Open the Janus Pro 7B page under Spaces. Once there, you'll find two options: text-to-image generation and multimodal understanding. Click on Text-to-Image. Now, write a clear and detailed prompt for the image you want. For example, try a Ghibli-style illustration with an anime-like color scheme depicting a peaceful summer evening during sunset and so on. Click Generate, and within seconds, DeepSeek will create a high-quality image based on your input. You can also try prompts like astronaut walking on an alien planet, hyper-realistic, highly detailed, or experiment with styles like anime or fantasy by including keywords such as anime style, Studio Ghibli, or concept art. If you want to run DeepSeek locally, Janus Pro 1B works on low-end GPUs, but Janus Pro 7B requires stronger hardware or cloud services. Still, using it on Hugging Face is completely free and requires no setup. So that's basically how you can use DeepSeek to generate images. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.